Hey guys, welcome back to Run Ram Run. A lot of you guys have been asking me about veg options in Hyderabad. It was difficult for me being a non-veg lover. I never thought of exploring veg restaurants. But this summer, the mango season has shown me a new option called Aamlicious, a mango thali in a restaurant in Hyderabad. A thali that has different kinds of mango recipes in there. Doesn't that sound exciting? It's only seasonal special, so you guys have to try it out only in summer. So let me take you guys in there and show you where it is and what are the options. Join.
చిక్కు చిక్కు చాం చిక్కు చం 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 మనసంతా ఆనందం రంగుల లోకం అందించే ఆహ్వానం ఆనందం ఆశల జెండా ఎగరేసే స్వాతంత్రం ఆనందం చిక్కు చిక్కు చాం చిక్కు చం 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 ప్రతి నిమిషం ఆనందం చిగు చిగు చాం చిగు చం 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 మనసంతా ఆనందం
నీ గూడు చెదిరింది నీ గుండె పగిలింది ఓ చిట్టి పావురమ.
To be frank, it was more like a letdown. I didn't really enjoy it much. I was hoping that the entire spread would be more like having mango recipes around, but the expectations were all. So to sum it up, I would say the ambience was good. Yes, Rajdhani is a really good place for thali, but if this Aamlicious and this mango kind of hope you have and you go in there, nah, a big no. I hope this video was helpful for you guys to decide whether to give a try to this Aamlicious thali in Rajdhani or not. I enjoyed making the video because of the company that I had. So kindly don't forget to subscribe to Run Ram Run for more such honest review videos. Until then, see ya.